I'm very happy to be at Skintastic today with Dr. Jeffrey Adelglass to discuss body contouring so that we can have those perfect lines for the summer. Hi, Dr. A. How are you?
Good, Leanne.
You know, during the winter, I didn't mind wearing my Spanx so that I'd have those smooth lines in my tight dresses. But now with summer here and the warmer temperatures, Spanx just sounds like one more layer that I really don't want to do. Is there something that you can do to help us have those smooth lines for summer without having body shapewear on?
Well, yes, there is. You know, ideally, it's best to do things in advance. But now that the summer's here, we still have options, both surgical and non-surgical.
Okay. What are some of the non-surgical options?
Well, that we have really two non-surgical options. The first one is something called cool sculpting. And what cool sculpting does, did you ever take a vacuum and put it against your skin and it pulls it up?
Yeah.
That's what cool sculpting does. It's a vacuum. We put against your skin, it pulls it up, but then it freezes it. And by freezing it, it destroys the fat cells.
So it pulls the skin taut and freezes the fat cells,
Yes.
And then do the fat cells just flush through your body normally?
The fat cells then are metabolized over time, and they are driven out of your body through the lymphatic system. This is not an immediate result. It does take some time, but it's especially good to flatten abdomens and for muffin tops and love handles.
And I've noticed that as I get older, me and my friends, we seem to have more weight around our midriff section.
Well, yes, I see this very commonly, especially among women who work out, are in good shape. But as people age, their hormones change, body composition changes, and shape changes. So this kind of procedure is excellent for those people who really don't need a surgical procedure. For those who do, we offer smart microliposuction. And what this does is it tends to sculpt the body.
Okay, smart lipo microsuction?
Yes, because not only do we use the laser to destroy the fat, we use micro cannulas, very small cannulas, to remove the fat and sculpt the body. Because of many of the women that you're talking about who only need small areas of lasering or of fat removal, we can use tiny little suctions and tiny little cannulas to take the fat out and give them back that beautiful womanly shape.
Original shape from when we were younger, yes.
Absolutely.
So then this type of surgery would work great for like love handles or spot reducing, small spots on the body that you can't.
Those are the best candidates for those people who have problem areas, who work out regularly, good shape, and they look good now, but they really want to look great.
Yeah.
So you can go from good to great.
To great. I love that. You know, the one thing that I've noticed is it's true as you get older and your hormone levels change or whatever reason it is, you get these little pockets of fat that just, they show up.
Well, that's exactly right, and that's why we also have a program that goes hand in hand with this of hormone optimization. And what this does, it optimizes your hormones to give you the best chance at not only achieving your goals, but maintaining them, because our programs are long-term programs for optimization. And the thing that you have to realize is we do combination programs. It's not only the liposuction, it's the overall age and health management, which makes our clinic so important for people in their lives.
I love that. You're actually, what you're saying is, don't just come in, if you come in expecting just one procedure, that's not how you work. You like to combine procedures so that they get optimum results.
That's how people achieve the best overall results. I liken it to going to a restaurant. For the best dining experience, one will start with an appetizer, maybe have a salad, an entree with a vegetable, and maybe or maybe not a dessert, hopefully.
Hopefully a dessert.
But that gives you the best dining experience. At your experience at Skintastic, many patients feel they want one thing or another. But what really works best is a relaxer, a filler, maybe some light treatment, an oxygen facial for relaxation.
So with smart lipo, because that's a surgical procedure, what is the downtime?
The realistic downtime for going back to work is about a day or two. However, strenuous activities would probably be about 2 weeks, depending upon the person and what kind of activities. Every person's body and health is different, and of course, the age of what they do and how much we liposuction.
Yeah.
But every person is a little different, but they can go about some of their activities in a day or two. Light activities.
Wonderful. I had no idea. Is that the advancement of liposuction that allows you to get back to your normal activities?
Yes. The way we do it under IV sedation, so the patients are comfortable. They don't have to be fully asleep, so there's less recovery time by using the microcannulas. There's no real incision, just a small portal.
Wow.
And patients do much better, recover faster, and look more beautiful much sooner.
I love that. Now you also have a laser that's attached to it, so on your way out, you're tightening the skin.
Yes, it not only takes the fat out, but tightens the skin in many patients who need it. Some patients may not need this. They may just need fat removal. Other patients need more skin tightening. For those patients, we have some non-surgical procedures as well, and they don't need liposuction at all.
So what do you do to tighten one's skin?
We have a procedure with a machine called the Apollo. The Apollo uses radio frequency heat to heat up the skin and the collagen below it. By doing so, the skin contracts over time, giving a more smooth appearance.
So it's really beneficial for cellulite.
That would be another area. We love to do cellulite because this is a non-invasive way of treating cellulite that's non-painful, and people get great results.
Is there anything else at Skintastic that you do for body contouring?
The one thing we do for body contouring that we didn't talk about is spray tanning.
Tan fat looks better than non-tan fat.
That's true, but we also can sort of etch the body and use shading to give the illusion of, of a beautiful shape.
I love that.
It's not long lasting. It's not real, but it's all
but
about
it works for a night.
It works for a night.
I love that. So if you would like to find out about any of these body contouring procedures or anything else that Skintastic offers, check them out online at skintastic.com. Thank you so much, Dr. A.